In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit memo and apply it to an open invoice. This is an important task for managing customer accounts and ensuring your books are accurate. We'll walk you through the process step by step, making sure you understand each part so you can handle this confidently in the future. First, let's start by creating a credit memo. You'll want to navigate to the plus new menu typically found in your accounting software's main toolbar. Once there, look for the option labeled Credit Memo. A credit memo is essentially a document issued to a customer detailing a reduction in the amount they owe. This could be due to various reasons, such as a product return or an overcharge. Creating a credit memo is essential when you need to adjust the balance a customer owes, ensuring that both your records and the customer's account statement reflect the correct balances. After selecting Credit Memo, you'll need to fill in the required fields. Start with your customer's information. Make sure you're issuing the credit memo to the correct customer by verifying their name and contact details. Next, describe why the credit memo is being issued. This clarity helps both you and the customer for future reference. Include pertinent information regarding the products or services involved, the adjustment quantity, and the price. Review everything for accuracy before saving the memo. This step is crucial to prevent future discrepancies and maintain trustworthiness in your dealings. Once you've saved the credit memo, the next task is applying this credit to an open invoice. You have two primary ways to do this. The first option is through the customer's profile. Navigate to the profile of the customer for whom the credit was issued. Here, you should see a list of their transactions, including open invoices and the credit memo you've just created. Select the open invoice to which you'd like to apply the credit. Look for an option that allows you to apply credits. Once you've found it, specify the amount of credit to apply against the balance of the chosen invoice. This process will reduce the outstanding balance accordingly. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result through the Receive Payment screen. Select the customer from the list, and this action will display all outstanding transactions for the customer, including open invoices and available credits. You'll be able to apply the desired credit to the appropriate invoice directly from the screen. Double-checking the amount is advised to ensure the application of the correct credit amount. In summary, creating a credit memo and applying it effectively helps maintain accurate customer balances and financial records. It's a straightforward process once you become familiar with the steps. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing and you'll master this soon enough. See you in the next video.